Most toilet water tanks can be adjusted to hold more or less water. During droughts, when water is expensive, you may want to flush less water, so let's see how it's done. The ceramic cover is not secured to the tank, it just lies on top of it, so just lift it off.
Inside the tank you'll see the flushing mechanism. This is the float which determines the water level. As water enters the tank, the float floats up on top of the water. This pushes up a plastic arm that is attached to the water inlet valve. As the arm rises, it closes the water inlet valve and stops the flow of water into the tank. Now, by turning this little plastic rod by hand or with a screwdriver, the float moves up or down the shaft. The lower it is, the less water you'll have in the tank. The higher it is, the fuller the tank will be. At most times the water level is set to be about a half an inch from the top of the overflow tube.
When I was young, we used to put half a brick in the toilet tank to save water. This method is much easier.